Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a fascinating problem I stumbled upon while exploring Microsoft Paint on Windows 11. In the selection options, there's a feature called transparent selection that caught my attention. But what exactly does it do? Let's find out more about this intriguing problem together. In a solution to this curious problem lies a nifty feature that, when enabled, automatically excludes all pixels that match the current background color from your selection. This means that when you copy, paste, or move the selected part, those areas will behave as if they're transparent. It's supposed to work by making those matching pixels transparent, creating an interesting effect. However, it seems that the feature might be a bit buggy in the current Windows 11 version of Paint, as the pixels are filled with white instead of retaining their original color. Solution aside, this feature is a great tool for manipulating selected areas with ease. By excluding specific pixels based on a background color, you can achieve some cool effects and make your editing workflow more efficient. Despite the slight hiccup in its current functionality, the transparent selection option has the potential to be a handy tool for creative projects in Microsoft Paint on Windows 11. In conclusion, we've explored the problem of the transparent selection feature in Microsoft Paint on Windows 11 and uncovered its intended solution. While the feature may have a small glitch to work out, it still offers a unique way to manipulate selections and create eye-catching edits. Thanks for joining me on this journey through digital artistry. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy creating